Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I am your maths teacher. Welcome in the first video lesson of week number 2. As you know that we have started exercise 2E and our topic was division. Last week we have completed very simple division and the term used in division sums. Now before starting, some more questions of the same exercise. Just revise the work that we have done in the last week. Now first, what are the terms we are using in division? Here I have solved a sum of division. 75 divided by 9, our answer is 8 and 3 is the remainder. Now the number that we are using to divide the given number is called divisor. The number which is to divide is called dividend. And after division, the result of the division, that is 8, 9, 8s are 72. This 8 is called quotient. Then after this division, the answer of the subtraction, the number that is left without division, that is called remainder. Either in this form or in this form, the terms are same. Here 10 divided by 7, answer is 1 and remainder is 3. So 10 is dividend, 7 is divisor and 1 is the quotient. 3 is the number which is left without division. It is called remainder. This one also we have done last week. Division of one digit number, two digit number with a single number in linear method. 20 divided by 4. Just read the table of 4 and you will get the answer. 4 5s are 20. 48 divided by 8, you will get the answer. 8 6 are 48. Same like here, division by 10, and there is no need. In the previous lesson also I told you, same I want to revise again. When we are taking 10 as a divisor, no need of doing any working. We can simply write the answer. And what is the rule? The number present at unit place on extreme right place, that is 3. So this is the remainder and all the remaining numbers, these are quotient. So in this division, 21 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Now the second one, 508 divided by 10. This 5050 is the quotient and the last number at unit place 8. This is the remainder. 440 divided by 10. 44 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 600 divided by 10. So 6060 is the quotient and the last one present at unit place 0 is the remainder. Such type of question you will get in objective exercise. Now these simple division again, only the method of writing and solving is different. One digit number divided by one digit number, 8 divided by 4, you will get 2 as quotient and there is no remainder. Two digit number divided by one digit number, 6 8s are 48 and after subtraction you will get 1 as remainder. Now this 3 digit number divide by one digit number. So 1 by 1 we will divide. First we divide 100, then 10, then 1s. Now 400 divided by 2, you will get 2 as answer. No remainder. Now 10s, 8 10s, divide these 8 10s by 2, 2 4s are 8 and there is no remainder. The last one, that ones, how many ones? 2 ones are here. Copy them here and 2 ones are 2. These are the very simple sums of division. Now the new one, after this revision, the new one that you will learn in this video lesson, that converting tens. Maybe you will feel it a new thing, but it's very easy. The basic rules of division are same. Look here, we have a number 357 as dividend and our 3 is the divisor. 3 first divide the 100, 3 ones are 3. There is no remainder. Now we have 5 tens here. Copy these 5 tens here down. Then read the table. 3 ones are 3 and after subtraction 2 tens are remaining here, which are not divided by this 3. Now copy these ones. How many ones are there? 7. So copy these ones are with these 2 tens. It's become 27. We have 27 as ones. We will divide this 27 by 3. 3 nines are 27 and after subtraction 0 is the remainder. In between somewhere maybe 100, maybe 10, which are unable to divide completely, and after remainder they will combine with the next step and we can divide it. Same here, 852 and divisor is 4. 4 twos are 8, so you are able to divide 100 completely. Now how many tens? 5 tens. Copy them here, 5 tens. 4 ones are 4 and after subtraction 1 10 is remaining here, undivided. Now write this 2 tens with these 2 ones with these tens. Now you have 12 ones and you will divide these 12 ones with 4. 4 threes are 12 and there is no remainder. See, hundreds are divided completely and tens are 4 ones and 4 and 1 10 is remaining here. Then this 1 10 combined with the next ones and it's become 12 ones, and in the last you have divided these 12 ones. 4 threes are 12. Now another one question, another example I have solved for you. 878, this is the dividend and you are going to divide it by divisor and we have 2 as divisor here. So you will read the table of 2. Very easy beta. Just in each question a little bit thing is new. Step by step when you follow it will be easy for you and you will feel yourself easy when you are solving them step by step. Only learn the tables perfectly. 2 fours are 8. Divide these 100. We have 800 here. Read the table. 2 fours are 8. It means hundreds are completely divided. Nothing is here as remainder. Now the next one, how many tens we have? We have 7 tens. Copy these 7 tens here for division. Read the table. 2 threes are. Always write the number here. 2 threes are. Step by step. With each step you have write the number. Read the table and write. How? 2 threes are 6. You cannot write 2 fours are 8 because 8 is bigger than 7. It must be smaller than the number which is going to be divided. So 2 threes are 6 and after subtraction you will get 1 here as remainder. So 110 is remaining here undivided. Now what is the next? We have 8 as ones. We will copy these 8 here. Now these are 18. 2 nines are 18. When you divide this 18, 18 ones we have. 2 nines are 18 and these are now completely divided. 878 by 2. 439 is the quotient and there is no remainder. It means 0 remainder. Step by step always start from the 100 side, or if something is remaining as remainder here after subtraction, it will combine to the next number until you divide all the 100 tens and ones. If here something remaining, that is remainder, but in between it is here, it can combine with the next step and you can divide it. This is the way to divide a number, that is called converting tens into ones. 110 is remaining here, it's combined with the ones. 2 tens are remaining here, they combined with the 7. 110 is remaining here, combined with the 8, or in the last step you can divide it. When you will do the practice of the sums given in the exercise, then you will be perfect inshallah. Khuda Hafiz.